This is how to get an awesome giant cake and grow a garden so that you get massive rewards. About five of them, I think. Still take a look. I just made my cake here and we're gonna go get it. So let's go ahead and do that. Get the cake and let's go pop it up and see how big this cake is. All right, let's see here. There is my cake. Oh, that's my massive cake right there. So let's give it to this guy and see what he says. I guess that wasn't that massive. I think I had a more massive one earlier. And got gourmet egg, mutation sprays, two small toys, gourmet seed pack. About 4 to 5 things depending how big the cake is. And how you do this, what you're gonna need is some really big sugar apples. So I got these sugar apples over here, about that size, 55 kilograms. Go ahead and get that. Another one right here. Let's grab this one too. And this is a recipe that's not published. I kind of discovered this on my own. Let's go ahead and get this sugar apple there. Get that sugar apple. There you go. That's the big one. It's kind of hard to pick out the big ones. We need a big old corn. Let's get big old corn there. And all right, I think that's all the big sugar apples. So you kind of need some sprinklers there to kind of grow them bigger. And then you're gonna need a lucky bamboo if you have that from the Zen to grab one of these things. So let's go ahead and get this big old lucky bamboo here. So like, since I got it, there it is. And once you submit it, it should take about 20 minutes to get your recipe in. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab the fruits. Let's start with the corn. The big 8 kilogram corn. Bam. Oh, submit the plant. Oh, there he is. It's a little glitchy. Okay, now I need the lucky bamboo. There it is. Boop. Put that in there. Sugar apples with the 25 kilograms. Bam. I think I got another 37 kilogram. Bam. What is this? That doesn't look big. This look big. Look big. No, no, no. I think I only have one small one now. Oh, that's a big one. 41. Let's see what this one. Oh, that's pretty big. Let's submit that one. And let's go ahead and cook this. It should take about 22 minutes for this craving cake. Go ahead and do that. Try it out for yourself and see if you get five prizes or five rewards from Chris P when there's a cake craving. All right, thanks.